unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
If your phone won't turn on, try a hard reset. For most smartphones, this involves pressing and holding down the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 20 seconds. This action can force the phone to reboot. If there's no response, it could be a battery or charging issue, so check your charging cable and plug connection. If still unsuccessful, it might be time to contact the manufacturer or a professional repair service for further assistance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.